हजारों जख्म भरते हैं चंद अल्फाज की ज़बां से कहने से. These words, meaning thousands of wounds, are healed by a few words, highlight the immense power of language. Words have the power to soothe, to inspire, to ignite our spirits even in the darkest of times. Inspirational quotes like precious gems hold within them the wisdom of ages. They are like guiding stars, illuminating our path when we feel lost or uncertain. These words, passed down through generations, offer comfort, motivation, and a renewed sense of purpose. In the tapestry of life, they are the threads of gold, adding richness and meaning to our experiences. हैं, क्वाकब कुछ नजर आते हैं, कुछ देते हैं. धूका, ये बाजीगर खिला. Ghalib, a master of Urdu poetry, speaks of illusions and perceptions. He reminds us that not everything is as it appears. Just like stars that seem near yet are far, life is full of deceptions. This quote encourages us to look beyond the surface, to question our assumptions. It is a call to seek truth and clarity amidst life's complexities. सितारों से आगे जहां और भी हैं, अभी इश्क आगे की मंजिल भी है. Allama Iqbal, the poet philosopher, urges us to embrace the unknown. His words, "There are more worlds beyond the stars. There are more destinations to reach," are a powerful call to action. Iqbal reminds us that life is a journey of continuous growth and exploration. There are always new horizons to discover, new dreams to pursue. देखना है ज़ूर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है. हम भी देखेंगे, लाजम है कि हम भी देखेंगे. Faiz Ahmed Faiz, in this powerful verse, speaks of resilience and defiance in the face of oppression. His words translate to, "We shall witness how much strength lies in the arms of the oppressor." It is essential that we too bear witness. This quote is a testament to the indomitable human spirit, our unwavering hope for a better tomorrow. It reminds us that even in the darkest of times, the human spirit will endure and justice will ultimately prevail.